Tuisonga na Ngwatanio ya Matakitali KMPDU ilembetani ya umiloni wa niyathingiliila kana Mukomo utwaiiwe ni Matakitali kauntini ya Masaku nukuendeeya vala ummunthi walika Muthenyani wa Kwathana na vala awau meutambuka sivitalini kivathukanio Masaku na muno sivitalini wa Machakos level 5 maendeeye na kunyamaa kukosa uiiti. Huu ni kuenana na mwandiki munene wa Ngwatanio yesu ilembetani ya Lower Eastern Charles Okumu vala ainena na andiki mamovo sivitalini wa Machakos level 5 waweta ni kuendeeya kwithiwa Mukomoni ngina serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku igwe kiyocho na kuyanisia monyungu nyesio ala methitwe mayenda meanigwe kwivo kwamba tuandeve kati wa maundu wangi. Daniel na mwongela na mauvu.
Dr. Charles Okumu nola ni mwene kivila wa Ngwatanio yesu ya KMPDU wa ilembetani ya Lower Eastern welesekana Mukomosu nukuendeeya ngina vala serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku ikosa na uito kiyocho na kuosa mathina ala maendeeye kukula muveani wa uiiti na uito undumwe na kueta wiwano katiwo.
Doctor strike is on until such a time that the county shall meet our demands. As you can see yourself in this facility, there's no single doctor here. And it has gotten to that point whereby a mere notice or even asking them to go back to work will not bring them back to work. It has gotten to that point. And what we want to plead the county government is to look at these matters very seriously. Let them not think that the doctors are bluffing or that the doctors want the patients to suffer. No. We feel that it is the county government who has been on strike for those many years. For 2 years, 3 years, they have been on strike by not promoting the doctor. If they did promote the doctor, and indeed every single healthcare worker, and indeed every other non-healthcare worker, we would not be here to begin with. We would be having patients walking into this facility today, getting served, getting service, various service. Right now, the maternity is empty. Casualty is empty. What are we talking about? We know healthcare is devolved, and we want to ask the government to take healthcare seriously. Healthcare is not just about buildings. Healthcare is not about opening or launching dispensaries. Healthcare is about the healthcare worker, the right of that healthcare worker, because that is the very serious engine that you need even for those buildings to make sense.
Onuwe vo Dr. Charles Okumu ni waelesekana nondu wa usenya kuona serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku yendeeye na kulela muno kuthinikia mathina ala maendeeye na ikumbila Matakitali kavindani kalona mo awau maendeeye na kunyamaa muno utukuni wa kwamukia umunthi amwitu ala meukite kutetheka sivitalini o maikwithwa uthiumantha utethio sivitalini cia kimbene vala kwena na ine nthi ala maetie amwitu asu meelesekana ve umwe wo utethekeie vala vekala awau meteele kwata uiiti kana waiting bay.
The holding salaries of people who are exercising their constitutional rights with adequate notice is illegal. And if that from the union side, we are also engaging our lawyers. And like it has happened previously, we've seen cases where the county government arbitrarily stops salaries. At the end of the day, we follow the courts, we follow the orders, we shall go to court if we have such. We hope the county government will not repeat that mistake because it has happened before and it was costly to the county government. We don't think they want to repeat that mistake of illegal withholding of salaries because we know at one point the court will force you to pay that salary.
Wioka ivindani Mukomosu walika Muthenyani wa Katano au aingi maendeeye na masivitalini wa Machakos level 5 na masivitali yangi kauntini no Masaku undula juu serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku inavikie kotini ndimenda Matakitali asu masiokewiani ndimenda moma Matakitali asu masiokewiani undula wioneka turanesa kuwete usungio ona umwe kwa mathina ala maendeeye na uvinyi ya mwene nthi.
But for us now we are saying that let us not get to a situation whereby the county government wants to use the courts or to abuse the courts to infringe on workers' rights. Because if you are supposed to resignate a worker that you have employed, and when they ask for it, you take them to court, then that is double tragedy. You've not promoted this person, and then you want to arrest them in court. I think that just tells us the insensitivity of the government we are dealing with. So doctors will remain on strike. When we are served, we will go to court, and we shall fight to the very end.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutongo TV, kuva sivitalini wa Machakos level 5, kauntini ya Masaku.